Well, what is going on in India as caste system is actually a degeneration of the system which is called Varnashram system. Varna means the division. Literally, Varna means color. Just as you divide by different colors, so the people in the society has been classified according to their inherent nature. And those things are based on one's qualities. But unfortunately, what is going on in the name of this Varnashram in India or caste system is simply based on birth. And that is what caused the difficulty. You see, birth cannot be the consideration of one's, say, occupation. Varnashram ultimately is leading to one's occupation. Now, you see, a doctor's son may have opportunities or facilities to become a doctor in future, but just because he's a son of a doctor doesn't make him a doctor. So this point we have to understand very carefully. Like, what is going on in India is you are a son of a Brahmana, therefore you are a Brahmana. You are a son of a Kshatriya, you are a Kshatriya. And this is what is causing all the problem. There is no consideration of qualification. The son of a Brahmana may be doing the job of a sweeper or a daily worker, laborer, but he claims, oh, I am a Brahmana. Now that is the problem. You see, by birth one may have the facility, and those days, earlier days, they used to have that facility. For example, a priest's son from his childhood used to assist his father. And as a result of that, he used to grow up acquiring the qualities of a priest. Similarly, a cobbler's son from his childhood used to assist his father, and he used to learn how to make shoes. A potter's son used to help his father making pots. And this is how they gradually, in a way, according to their birth, they used to develop the qualities of that particular occupation. But unfortunately, today what is happening is, especially the people born in the higher class, like the Brahmana caste or the priestly caste or the warrior caste, they are claiming that because I am born as a son of a Brahmana, I am a Brahmana. Similarly, a Kshatriya is claiming, because I am born as a son of a Kshatriya, I am a Kshatriya. But the person may be a worst coward, but he is claiming, I am a Kshatriya. The son of a Brahmana may be the most degraded one, but he is claiming that I am a Brahmana. So that is the problem. It's not based on the qualification. Today in India, what's going on is based on just by birth. And as a result of that, you can see there is total chaos in the society. The higher class of people are simply trying to exploit the lower class of people because they're born in a lower class family. And as a result of that, unnecessary and unfortunate conflicts are taking place in that society. So these are the things that has to be given up. We have to recognize that one should be recognized according to his qualification, not by birth. Just like, as I said, a doctor's son, just by birth, he's not a doctor. He has to become qualified to be a doctor, then only he should be recognized as a doctor. Similarly, an engineer's son should be recognized by his qualification, not by birth. Similarly, a warrior's son should be recognized by his valor, not just by birth. And at the same time, if a person born in the lowest class, which is the Shudra class, if it displays the qualities of higher nature, then he should be recognized belonging to the higher class. That was the real Vedic society in the past. But this has degraded today. due to the influence of this age of Kali, the age of quarrel and hypocrisy.